A lot of people on this planet today talk about financial freedom. A lot of people claim to be financial advisor and they will help you to achieve financial freedom. But to me, it's not only about financial freedom. Even when you achieve your financial freedom, and you struggle in other areas of your life, you do not have a good health, you do not have the fulfillment, you do not have a great family with whom you can cherish every single moment, all that freedom that you have in finances is useless and worthless. What will you do with financial freedom if you are not able to impact the lives of people? What will you do with financial freedom if you are not able to live a life of absolute freedom? What will you do with financial freedom if you are not able to travel the world? My greatest dream is to help people achieve freedom in every area of your life. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello to each one of you, wherever you are in this world and at whatever time you are listening to me. My name is Narendra Gupta, and one of the visions, my vision of this life is to see every individual on the planet, every child on the planet live his life to his fullest potential, to live a life of his dreams and to create an epic future for him and to impact the world in the most positive way and to live the purpose of this life. So it's not only finances, it's not only health, but every single area of your life that you want to fulfill and you want to be your absolute best. The reason for all the evil in this world and the reason for all the good things that are happening in this world is your mind. But do you know that you are not your mind? And today in this video, I want to start with focusing on telling you a story about myself. Ever since I was born and in my childhood, I always wanted to do big things in life. I wanted to help the people, help the children of, they were of my age and I was going to school, but whenever I was seeing the children on the streets not having the foods, my heart used to melt for them. I used to feel for them. How can I help them? Even when I was a child, when I used to see and watch the superhero movies, I used to feel, I wish I had these powers, supernatural powers, that I can fly and go and rescue the people who are struggling in during the earthquakes or during the tsunami flood or during any other mishaps or all those kidnappers hijacking the airplanes. So I used to watch on the TV and I used to feel, how can I help them? What is it that I can have so that I can help them? But when I grew up, I came to and I met the realities of life, the practicalities of life. My father was in a job with a government sector company, and we had all those middle class life that a regular middle class family in India has. But then I was not able to get out of it. And whatever the society was doing, whatever people were saying, I was always going to do it. I was always doing the same things that the society was doing. I was conforming to the society. So now let's try to understand why most people are not able to achieve big in their life. It is their mind. And the reason is that you procrastinate on things. The main reason for you not achieving big, there are few people who achieve success, who have freedom, who are impacting the world. And what do they have? The reason is that they are able to win over their mind. you keep on procrastinating. I have been a great procrastinator in my life. I'm nearing my 40, and I realize that the things that I always wanted to do, if you see my journals over the years, I have written that I want to do big things. I want to do this, that. But I have been procrastinating. I was wanting, I was thinking, but I was not taking action. I did not have the courage to take action. I wanted, but I was procrastinating. So I didn't know why it was happening. And then I realized that it is not me. I want the best. I feel the guilt, but it is the mind that procrastinates. It is the mind that wants to conserve the energy. It is the mind that has this instinct that to save energy, to put you in a safe default zone. From the primitive ages, the human beings were learned to live in the cages. They lived for survival. They lived to save themselves from the dangerous animals out there, from the wind, from the other calamities of nature. So that is programmed in the mind, that to save yourself by default. Now, what happens is, and the same continues today. So, this mind is a software, this is a tool that the creator, the nature has given to us to save ourselves from the forces that can harm us. Now, it's such a powerful tool that even starts using you, and that's exactly what is happening. Even whenever we go for growth, it starts bringing you back into that safer zone where it can conserve energy. So it is very important that you must understand this. And today, the lesson for today I want to give is, you are not your mind. Because whenever these things happen, you have that feeling of guilt. So it is not you who procrastinates in life, it is the mind that procrastinates. And unless you understand your mind, you will not be able to achieve freedom, live alone financial freedom in any other areas of your life, and to live a life of significance, live a life of meaning, and live a life that matters. So, lesson for today, you are not your mind. We will start with the next steps tomorrow, where you will learn the steps how to win over your mind. Till then, thank you for your attention and listening to me, and for your time. Wishing you a life of absolute freedom. So thank you.